Hello YouTube, Doward out here. I'm in the motorcycle garage. I don't think anyone's actually seen this yet because I did not expect this to be my return video to YouTube, but you know, here we are. I have over here a backpack from Creator Warehouse. That's right, I purchased the LTT Backpack. And I think I'm going to probably have some things to say about this, and I wanted to bring you guys along. So why do I think y'all are going to care what I have to say, and why do I think I even have anything to say in the first place? Well, for anyone that doesn't know, the LTT Backpack is $250. I think I've got something to say about that because I already own an expensive backpack, and it should be no surprise that I ride. So I actually use the heck out of my backpack, and I've had this for years at this point. I don't even know how many years I've had this. Good Lord. Probably had it 4 or 5 years at least. Spent like 150 bucks on it. So I'm no stranger to spending money on a good backpack. So what I'm curious about, what I want to bring y'all along for, is when I pull this backpack out of its box, am I going to feel like it's $100 more than that backpack? Let's find out. Made from recycled plastic bottles. I like that. Nice touch. I like how it's sitting upright. I'm sure there's probably something in there holding it together, holding it shaped like that. It's nice. Not bad. Not too shabby. The inside pockets feel good. Zippers feel good. Hang on. These are obviously well-used zippers. So zippers don't feel smooth. See if y'all can tell. Versus go up and down. They're still very smooth. I like that we've got this little bit of trying to keep some water out of it. I don't know that these are actually designed to be completely waterproof, but not too bad. I like that we've got the ability to keep it up off. That's one of the things I liked about this guy here, is the air fit. And this is really nice when I pull it up tight on the motorcycle. Like this, yeah, see there. I paid to ship that air. It definitely gives you a good impression coming out. Kind of feeling up the interior here now. So my Harley backpack would also open, you know, full. I had a rain cover with it. Laptop. I could fit my 17-inch MacBook Pro in there. I could also fit my 17-inch XPS and the 16-inch MacBook Pro. This looks like this will fit nicely. Yeah. So I've got a lot of the same features here. And I can knock stuff over. So I don't have, okay, I do have the inner pocket, similar to this. Yeah, like I said, you can tell I've had this for a while. This poor thing's starting to come apart on me a little bit. But it stood up test of time for me. I guess the real question is going to be, how does this travel? Alright, so overall, it's definitely nice. Alright, enough playing around. What are my first thoughts? Seems extremely durable. I think they may have actually increased durability at the sacrifice of a bit of convenience and a bit of comfort. But I think I'll find that out this weekend when I actually go take it out. So, again, I commuted daily before COVID on the bike to work, and I used this backpack exclusively for years on that. I am going to instead commute with the LTT. We're going to see how this does on a daily ride. I do like the additional bit of water resistance that you see here. I like that. You know, it's understated. It definitely seems durable. I think it's big enough to hold all of my laptops. I'll test that out too. Question's going to be comfort. I have taken this backpack out in 100-degree weather, no problem. See if the same can be said here. So let's see what happens this weekend.